The focus of module number 4 are those key terms used in epidemiology. So we are actually again going to be dividing and conquering and examining some of those key terms such as incidence, prevalence, specificity, sensitivity, validity, reliability, looking at years of potential life loss, mortality rates. All of those will be components within this module, and again, we're building on what you will be applying in the future, and this will help you to really analyze some of the statistics that are out there that impact your practice as well. So once again, we have the module overview, which is the to-do list. So you're going to be examining chapters number 6 and 12 in your Merrill textbook, in addition to doing your discussion board, and again, continue to build those blocks to do your assignments. There's the overviews for the chapters, and again, we have some valuable information here that will help define some of the statistical terms and that you will examine. We also have information on validity and reliability, and this again is a really great visual to demonstrate what validity and reliability is. And when we have something that is maybe high validity and low reliability, so it's hitting the target but it's not hitting all in the same place, and then we have something that's highly reliable that isn't hitting the target. So we need to think about those things when we're examining, the tests that we're doing, those types of things, and knowing what valuable choices are and the types of things that we're doing within practice. So it's not just for epidemiology, but knowing those terms of validity and reliability and using them appropriately will be helpful as you move forward, and helpful as you're reading the literature, the research. All of those factors will come into play. In addition, we're looking at the difference between incidence and prevalence, and we need to know those differences when we're reading information as well. And very often it's commonly used that we interchange those two, and they're really not the same as far as what they mean. So prevalence is everyone who has a particular disease, and incidents are new cases. So keep that in mind. And this again is a nice video that I gave you a very simplistic overview, but it goes into showing the background and really conceptualizing the difference between incidence and prevalence. And then of course we have our discussion board. So within the discussion boards, it's separated out, and we're going to divide those key terms that we spoke about through the module, as well as explore the county health rankings and looking at the term of premature death, and some of the information that is available to you, the statistics that are very specific to an area of practice by county. And again, this is really helpful when we're looking at populations for particular areas to really help you to know your population and serve them directly. And we're going to, within your book, there's a graph that you're going to be examining if you choose set 2, and really determining, reading that graph and reflecting on that information as well. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know.